I've been exploring the Navy Federal cashRewards credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers and why the Navy Federal cashRewards credit card is still relevant in 2026. The big draw is simple flat-rate cashback, with 1.5% on all purchases for the regular cashRewards and 2% unlimited cashback if you qualify for the cashRewards Plus version. Unlike many cards that change categories every quarter, this one keeps things straightforward, which makes it easy to use as an everyday card. There is also a welcome bonus. If you spend $2,500 in the first 90 days, you can earn $250 in bonus cashback on new accounts opened in the first half of 2026. For a lot of military families and members who run most of their expenses through a single card, hitting that spend threshold is very doable. Another key benefit in 2026 is the intro balance transfer offer. If you move a balance from a non-Navy Federal card within 60 days of opening, you get a 1.99% intro APR for 12 months, and there is no balance transfer fee. After the promo ends, your rate moves to a variable APR currently ranging from 14.15% to 18%, depending on your credit. On top of that, there are no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no cash advance fees when you use a Navy Federal branch or ATM, which can be a big deal if you deploy or travel internationally. The card also supports contactless payments, has a zero liability policy for fraud, and includes the standard Visa or MasterCard network protections. With that said, it's not perfect, and there are a few downsides you should know before applying. First, Navy Federal membership is required, which means it is mainly limited to service members, veterans, and their families, so not everyone can get it. Second, the more rewarding 2% cashRewards Plus is only available if you are approved with at least a $5,000 credit limit. Otherwise, you are capped at 1.5% cashback. That structure makes the best rewards effectively reserved for people with stronger credit files and income. And while the flat rate is solid, some competitors offer higher rates in specific bonus categories like groceries or dining, so heavy spenders in those areas might earn more elsewhere. Overall, if you are eligible for Navy Federal and you like simple, no-nonsense rewards, the cashRewards line is a strong everyday cashback option in 2026. In short, it shines for members who want no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and a clean flat cashback rate, especially if you can qualify for the 2% Plus version. For people who optimize categories or who are not part of the military community, it is probably not the ultimate rewards card, but for its target audience, it balances value, simplicity, and low fees very well. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.